Okay guys, so in the previous video we have painted this truck and the hood. In this video we are going to unmask it and we're going to continue assembling. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we are all done with the truck. It's actually been a little while. I actually managed to put probably close to 3,000 miles on the truck. I went out of state with it and drove in locally. Truck is complete, everything works, no lights on the dash. Actually, let me show you. Okay, so just don't mind the mess inside the truck, because like I said, I've been driving the truck for a little while. Everything looks good. I'm happy with the results. Here's this side, front. Here's the other side, but the other side was not damaged. So let's take a look inside. Here's the inside, rear. Let me start the truck. It's a little bit tight, sorry. It's a little bit dark, but hopefully you can see everything works. No lights on the dash. So pretty happy with the truck. Okay, let me put it back. So I'm pretty happy with the truck. I actually like it, and what I like to do, I like to make another video giving you my I guess my opinion or my experience with Ford F450, Ram 3500 and Chevy 3500. Basically, I just want to make a video from consumer point of view. I'm not going to go into technicals. There's plenty of videos like that where they go into detailed torques and all that good stuff. But I just want to share my experience. I had Ford for about a year, or probably a little bit longer, Ram for about a year, and well, this one obviously is fresh, but it's been a little while since I fixed it. So I'll make another video and giving you guys my opinion on that, and hopefully you like it. So stick around, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next one.